Hello, I am Nisa Bharti from class 5. I am from New Sant Mary English School and I am going to prove that air expands on heating and become lighter so it rises. For this experiment, we will need some material. Number 1, 2 identical bottles. Number 2, a small balloon. Number 3, some hot water. Number 4, some cold water. Now, we start the experiment. Pour some hot water in first mug and cold water in second mug. Dip first bottle with the balloon in first mug and second bottle with the balloon in second mug. We observe that the balloon is dipped in hot water which balloon is inflated, but the bottle is dipped in cold water with the balloon is not inflated. This show that the air expands on the heating. Thank you.